Hey everyone, I'm in front of 242 Bala Avenue building to show you a two-bed, one-bath unit. Before I get into the unit, I would like to show you what the outside looks like. We have a nail and a beauty salon on the left and right side of the building 242. You have a photography studio, a fitness center, and also across the street from here you have a BMW dealer, and also walking a little bit down that way you will find public parking, and the building is located at the intersection of Montgomery and Bala. I'll go and inside and show you what the inside of the unit looks like. First you go through the first door and you have another one. The second door usually be locked, so you need to have a key to get in. You need the steps. Each floor has 2 units, and the unit, which is unit 4, is located on the 4th floor, or I mean on the 3rd floor, I'm sorry. So, all right. It is the unit number 4. Nice, the steps. You have a light throughout the steps. Here is the unit. I'm going to get inside and show you what the inside of the unit looks like. This is the common space. Now let's get into the unit. The apartment has this beautiful hardwood floor and a huge living room. Yeah, you see 3 windows for a natural light. It brings a lot of natural light to the house. In the living room, you have this closet space. It's deep, very nice closet space. And the living space is huge, just big. Over there, you have the bedrooms. You have 2 bedrooms, one over there and another one on the left hand side. When you turn to the left from the living room, you see your dining room. Since the current tenants are in the process of moving out, so you see a lot of boxes, but once they move out, this place will be clean and nice. And here is the living room. Is open, huge living room, dining room. It's a beautiful dining room you have. You have high ceiling, it's a hardwood floor throughout. Next to the dining room, you have your kitchen. Because they have a baby, they save everything here. You have the pantry inside the kitchen. You have a lot of cabinet space. You have gas oven and cooktop, built-in microwave. You have a refrigerator here, additional cabinet space, a dishwasher, upgraded countertop, a laundry machine in the unit. This is the kitchen. In the kitchen you have a door that takes you to the back of the building. These have steps. You could go down to take your trash. From your kitchen, you go down your stuff and put your trash in a trash bin over there on the right hand side. So I'm coming back to the house again. You have this nice actually private space for outside private space for yourself. You could set a table here and have your coffee in the morning, whatever you want to do, but you could have that space for yourself. So back to the kitchen. As I told you, this is the pantry, and on my left you have my your dining room, and next to the dining room you have a sunroom. The current tenant is using it as an office space, but it's a nice additional space to have. There is a door next to the sunroom that takes you to one of your bedrooms. So you could get to the bedrooms from here, from your sunroom, or from your living room. So I'm gonna go back to the living room and get to the bedroom so that you could see everything. All right, go back. Here is the living room. As I showed you earlier, you have this closet space too between your living room and dining room. You have this nice size closet space. I showed you this closet space earlier, and this is the front door where I earlier I came in through this door. So walking back to the bedrooms, here on my left you have smaller bedroom, on my right you have a bigger bedroom. So before the bedroom you have this hallway, and in the hallway you have this additional closet space. The place has tons of storage space. Your first bedroom here on my right has 3 windows for a natural light. It's a beautiful, huge bedroom, and even in here in a bedroom also you have this huge closet space. So you have this door in your bedroom, and this is the view from this side, your bedroom. And this bedroom is facing, like you look out through the window to the Bala Avenue. So there is a door that takes you to your bathroom. You have nice bathroom, big bathroom here. It has a beautiful tile, nice window for fresh air, and you have this medicine cabinet, vanity. You have a deep tub and a shower combo. You have a tile wall throughout the bathroom, and here you have small closet space for your towels on the top and at the bottom also. And in this bathroom you have a door that takes you to the second bedroom. The first one is over there, second one is here. So this is the second bedroom. In this bedroom you have one closet space over there, and also you have a window. They just put a blind to cover a window. When you look out, you'll be looking out to Montgomery Avenue from this bedroom. It is very nice, big size bedroom. It's a second bedroom, smaller than the other one, but it's a lot of space here also. In this bedroom you also have this, I'm sorry, there are a lot of boxes here because they are packing to move out. This is the closet space you have on the second bedroom. This is the hallway. Showed you this earlier. I went through that door to go to the first bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. And from the second bedroom you can go to the sunroom, which I showed you earlier. You have this door, so you could access to your office space or your sunroom from this bedroom. And here you have your dining space. Over here you have your kitchen. Here your hallway to your living room. Closet space here. It's a lot of space you have in this apartment. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. I thank you for watching. Bye.